Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Shiba Inu from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding SHIB on Bitrue and want to move it to Coinbase for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and potential delays, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase. You'll need some SHIB in your Bitrue wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your Shiba Inu, SHIB, balance. That's where the magic starts. Step 2. In Bitrue, select the withdrawal option for SHIB. You'll see a field for the recipient's address. But hold on, don't enter anything yet. Step 3. Switch over to Coinbase. Log in, go to your wallet, and select SHIB. Copy the deposit address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip. Always verify that this address is for SHIB to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Back in Bitrue, paste the Coinbase address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send, but be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. Bitrue might use networks like ERC20 or another, so match it with Coinbase's requirements. Step 5. Double-check all the details, address, amount, and network. Once you're confident, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. Step 6. Now, head back to Coinbase and keep an eye on your wallet. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the SHIB to show up, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your SHIB is now safely transferred. In 2025, crypto tech is evolving fast, so always stay updated on platform changes. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.